Now we have to learn about sinking funds. So what is sinking fund? I will take you to Google Translate. Sinking fund means a fund means a bulk of money. A fund formed by periodically setting aside money for the gradual repayment of a debt or replacement of a wasting asset. So you can, when you read this in Arabic, you can understand. So this is sinking fund, the term, and this is the explanation. Okay. Now I will cancel this and I will see the translation of this. So this is sinking fund again. If a person wants to purchase an ordinary annuity to guarantee a certain sum of money in future, that person can determine the amount of payment. This payment is called sinking fund payment. So hope you can understand with this Arabic. Okay, now we will go to the question. So this is the rule for finding the payment. Okay, we have an example here. The manager of a landscaping service decides that he will need OMR 1800 in 5 years to purchase a new lawn tractor. If he purchases an ordinary annuity that pays 4% compounded monthly, find the payment. Okay, here is the solution. Now see what are the variables. OMR 1800 is the future value. So FV is future value is 1800. The rate of interest is 4%. That means 4 by 100 equal to 0.04. Now this is compounded monthly. Monthly means M equal to, see here, monthly means M equal to 12. Then you have to find, no, he is planning to purchase that in 5 years. So N equal to 5. So we have all the variables. Now this is the rule for finding the payment. So FV is 1800, R is 0.04, M is 12 divided by 1 plus 0.04 by 12 power M into N. M is 12, N is 5. So 12 into 5 will give you, see, 12 into 5 will give you 60. So we are writing that directly here, minus 1. Now we will see how this can be done in calculator. See, 1800 I am typing into this, I will put in bracket. So bracket 0.04 by 12, close bracket. Okay, now divide. Now here we have to open two brackets. So two brackets, 1 plus 0.04 by 12, close bracket, power 60. Okay, then you have to come down, then minus 1, close bracket, close the second bracket. Now equal to, so the payment will be 27.149. There is a slight change here, 27.149. So you can correct this to 15. So 27.15. Okay, so this will be the payment.